Hi, this is Kelly from Play Learn Talk, and this is the tutorial for Hide and Find, a speech therapy game that targets articulation, specifically the S sound, in initial, medial, and final position. To go inside the game, we're going to click on Find the Treasure in the bottom right-hand corner. Now, this game allows you to target initial, medial, and final position, and within each of these sections, you're going to have 10 repeat games that you can use with students over and over again throughout your day or from session to session. So each of these games is going to contain the same vocabulary, so 15 target words, but they're going to be in random order, so it keeps it really fun and new each time you play it. Now, here are the instructions. Choose one player to hide the sparkly red gem, or you can go ahead and do this yourself if you're working with younger students or if you're keeping remote control. All right, so whoever hides it, they're simply going to drag it with their mouse. It's a clickable, draggable object, and they're going to put it over top of the picture they want to hide it under. Then they're going to let go. It's going to fall behind. Once the gem is hidden, then all the other players are going to take turns asking the person who hid the gem questions. Now, on the left-hand side of the page, I'll show you in just a moment, I have some prompts that are going to help your students, or they're going to be something you use to help your students actually ask a variety of questions. Now, players can only ask questions that have a yes or no answer. So the person who hid it is only going to be able to respond with yes or no. And based on their answer, students will discard the other choices. And through a process of elimination, are going to find the one that has the gem. So whoever finds the gem first is going to be the winner. You can determine what that means, whether they get to play again or start the next game or go do something else. That'll be up to you. So to get back to this main, navigation page, let's say you want to switch over to a medial or final position and you were playing an initial, you're going to hit the Play Learn Talk logo that's going to be in the bottom left-hand corner of the game page. So let's go ahead and take a look. All right, here is the structure of every single page. We have 15 different targets. They're all pictures and they are not labeled with a written word, simply the picture. Now on the left-hand corner, I have a column of different features that you can use to prompt your students to describe something. So we have color, pattern, texture, size, smell, taste, category, and function. There's going to be other things that you can also prompt them as well, and you can use this typable box down here to do just that. All right, so you're going to go ahead, first things first, and hide the gem. So here is the draggable gem, and you simply put it over whatever item you want to hide it underneath and prompt your other students to look away. All right, so now it is hidden under the soccer ball, and only we know that. So when students ask questions, maybe they start with a color question and they say, is the gem hidden under something that is pink? And I'm going to say no because it's black and white only, right? So if I say no, the student then needs to find all pictures that have something pink and they're going to discard it. Okay, so they're going to move away the soap. And at this point, you can have them say the word soap, or you can say not the soap, or whatever you want for your phrase or sentence. You can also model right here the sentence that you want your student to use as they're moving it or as the game is going on. Okay, now these are also some pink pillows, so we're going to also move those over, and I think that's the only thing. So let's go through. So let's go down to maybe category. So I can say, is it something that you eat? Is it a food? And I'm going to say no again, right? So it's not going to be the sandwich. You eat a sandwich, you eat cereal, you eat soup. Function, is it something that is a tool? No, it's not. It's not scissors. So I'm going to put scissors away. Is it something that you play with? Yes, it is, right? So it could be a play sword. It could be a play sailboat, but we're going to get rid of these other items. Okay, so through a process of elimination, that's how your students are going to figure out what it is. Okay, so once they eventually find it is here, whoever found it is going to, get a reward. And let's say they want to start the next game. So we'd hit new game, and it's going to generate it into different positions. So I don't know if you noticed, but they changed positions, and there will be a total of 10 games for you to use. Now, if you wanted to go back to the main menu, you're going to hit this Play Learn Talk logo, and it'll take you back to this main page. I hope you enjoy this game. You can find it on Boom Learning at the Play Learn Talk store.